Hey there. So if you guys are struggling with headaches and migraines and you need some place to track your headaches and figure out, what might be happening, something you want to take to the doctor, this is a great spreadsheet for you to use. So this is a customizable migraine tracker, and then I will show you how to use it. So first of all, this first row here stays still. So as you scroll down, you can add more items and it'll stay there, and that way you can still see the headings. So we're going to put in the date, double clicking in here. If you're using that on Excel on your computer, you just want to, highlight the date and then just write the date there. And then you can put the time that your headache started. So say you woke up feeling bad. And then if it never stopped, just put an A. But if it finally subsided, say around 3 o'clock p.m., and then you could put symptoms, revision, area of pain, so say it's around the temples. The rating, say it was a 7 out of 10. The treatment, you could put anything you want. You can put ice, heating pad, pain meds, whatever worked for you. And then any notes, so you could say, anything that would help you to take to the doctor with you. And then you could print this out also. So you can go to File and Print. Make sure that it says, you could do portrait if you wanted to, but landscape would be nice. You can print this out and put it into a notebook and have extra blank pages to just write things as you go. And then make sure it says not normal, but fit to width. Hit next. And then when you're printing out pages, just choose the ones that you want because there's 25 available, 25 rows. So you can just do, custom 1 and 2. And then that way it's only going to print out 2 pages for you. So that's how to print it out. If you need anything, feel free to reach out. But if you found me on YouTube, feel free to click on the link in the description below to purchase this spreadsheet. Thanks, guys, and I hope you all have a great day, and I hope you feel better.